ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು? ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾ ಕೊಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. 2:30 ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ರೀ. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಮೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. Give all the memos. I am telling you, if I continue on Monday, I will take definitely all the fresh matters. Yenaru irli fresh matters. If I continue on Monday, be rest assured everything will come. Reserve agire kodi kodi ಮೇಡಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದು 200 meters ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಕೇಸ್. ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೆಮೊ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. ವೇಟ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಬ್ದ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ವೈ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ 2:30 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಎಸ್ FR ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು? ಈಗ JC FR ನಂಬರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ದಾರ ಬರೋಲ್ಲ. ಮನ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗದೆ ಇರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕೊಡಿ, ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Give it. Reporting settlement, please give.
Lordship, one memo I have filed earlier, which is an urgency, but it have not listed today. At least silver articles. At least at the end of list, Lordship, please.
Memo illide.
Yes.
ಅದು 2:30 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Madam.
ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
Madam. Madam 2:30. Sir.
ಮಂಡೇ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ? ವೈ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ, ಮಂಡೇ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ? ತುಂಬಾ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ. ಮಂಡೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಮಂಡೇ ತನಕ ಕಾಯ್ಬೋದು ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Fresh matter.
ನಾಳೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
Fresh matter.
Give. Memo kodi sir. Yes. Fresh matters, please give.
My lord, it's a matter pending before the MPMLA court.
Ille yak barutte?
It's
MPMLA court move ಮಾಡಿ.
My lord, put a late.
How are you moving it here?
My lord,
Reporting settlement, please. Please give.
My lord.
What do you want?
My lord, FIR has been registered against bank manager, my lord, for taking possession under SARFAESI proceeding. This is third FIR, my lord. 2 FIRs have been staged by this honorable court only. 2:30, my lord.
Why 2:30?
Urgency is, there is a
Bank manager anta urgency na.
The apprehension of arrest, my lord. This is third FIR, my lord.
Kodi 2:30.
For taking possession.
FR number idre complain ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ದಾರ.
Without will comply.
False promise of marriage.
Sorry?
False promise of marriage.
False promise marriage. It will come on Monday. Give it.
We go for withdrawal mode.
Anyway, false promise. Give it. Yes.
My lord, it's a matter for 2:30, my lord. My lord, there's a serious threat to his employment, my lord. His visa has been cancelled and his passport is expiring, my lord.
2:30.
My lord, the CC. Ma'am, 2:30. Ma'am, 2:30.
Why?
My lords, connected matters listed at serial number 140. It's the LOC matter where ED is the originator, my lords. Games craft.
That is 140 joteg ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Moving for 2:30.
It should be
Writ petition number,
writ petition.
not
Apply
FIR.
ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Lords, already the matter is disposed. Fire is crashed. Lords, pursuant to the release of vehicle, amount is really deposited in the before the DC.
Amount release ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾ?
Lords.
Tomorrow, lords.
ನಾಳೆ ಜಗಂದು ನಾಳೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
The lordship,
ಹಂಗತ್ತೆ.
there is a case and there is a counter case. There is a case and there is a counter case. Not. I was the first one to go to the police. The counter case petitioner comes before your lordship without disclosing that the case and gets a stay on the investigation.
Give it.
In a case and counter case, not only one.
Give it.
2:30. Not.
ಆಯ್ತು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Yes, not my one other request. There's a vacating stay application that was filed before your lordships in January. Your lordship have already heard the matter. The matter was listed at 4 PM on
Suraj
Wednesday.
Sampath.
Yes, Wednesday it was listed at 4 PM.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್
It was
ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ.
directed to be listed.
ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಇವತ್ತು?
It's not listed. No, there's a date not in this matter.
I
4
asked
PM.
it to be listed today. No.
I'm sorry, Lord. There is a stay where he's sitting from.
Wait, sir. ಯಾಕೆ?
Please have it tomorrow.
Suraj, I'll tell you. once you take a stay, you should be ready for vacating stay also, all right?
Yes,
We'll take it tomorrow.
tomorrow.
ಅದು ಕೊಡಿ, give it ನಾಳೆ.
My lord, this is.
One part-heard writ petition, my lord. Part-heard writ petition.
ಆಟಾಡ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Memos
My
ಕೊಡಿ.
lord.
Madam, part-heard.
ಅದು ಚಿರಂಜೀವಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ವಿಡ್ರಾಲ್ಗೆ. Why? Simple. Why simple engineer should not be arrested, is it? Then why? Oh, apartment owners, give it, yes,
My lord.
230. If it is FR, it won't come. ಅದೇ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, wait.
SCST Act, my lord, there is a threat of arrest. SCST Act, there is a threat of arrest.
That's 230.
Fresh.
Pending matter ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. Fresh, give it, sir. It can wait till Monday? Oh, then it can wait till Monday, give it, yes.
My lord, it's a, my lord,
ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ fresh
Lord,
matters
230,
ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
my lord. A minor has been falsely accused of rape, my lord, by a major.
Minor,
Yes, my lord. 230, my lord. His exams are commencing.
minor accused by major.
Yes, my lord.
What this? ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಏನು?
Minor is the accused
All right, give it.
of rape charge.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಕೊಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ.
my lord.
Lord, 230, my
Minor
lord.
has raped the major, is you're saying allegation?
Allegation, yes, my lord. False charge.
Give it, we'll see.
Lord, 230, my lord.
230.
My lord,
Fresh matter, my lord.
FR iದ್ರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. You should
FR
go and comply, yes.
my lord,
Fresh matter, my lord. Threat of
Ma'am,
suspension.
ma'am.
The co-accused have
230.
my lord, it's a 20.
ಮಂಡೇ ವರೆಗೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
Evidence ನಾಡಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ.
ಮಂಡೇ.
Petitioner is 70.
ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದೇನ್ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Monday.
ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾಳೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. So I am not going to interfere. ನೀವು ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
Tomorrow,
My lord, it's a 20.
No, sir, I will dismiss it only. I am telling you now, charge frame ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ interfere ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
My lord, my lord.
Non-criminal offence was investigated with respect to the law.
Huh?
Non-criminal offence was is investigated with respect to the law.
ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ. Yes.
My lord, it's
My
a
lord.
old, my lord,
ಬೇರೆ ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಕೊಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ.
My lord,
my lord, it's a old matter.
My lord, two students have been lucked at the behest of my neighbor. Exams are ongoing, my lord. Tomorrow.
230.
My lord.
230.
my lord,
ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
My lord,
my
it's a
lord,
pending.
Come, I'll tell you, if I continue, 24 matters will definitely come on the day, yes.
My lord,
lord,
it's a
challenge-
2025 matter, my lord.
25 ಇದ್ರು ಕೊಡಿ.
My lord, the petitioner who is not,
ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ತಾನೆ.
my lord,
Yes, sir.
there is a no stay order in the case.
Very good.
My lord.
The atrocity against the doctors who not yet vacated the premises taken under rent, lord, maybe taken up at 230.
230.
my lord, it's-
ಬರ್ಲಿ, next week ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
my lord, challenge.
2019 is the partition
ಯೋಚ್ನೆ
suit. One of my brothers, FIR is now registered 2 days by. One of my brothers is arrested.
Ah.
I am the other two brothers' mother. 2019 is the partition suit.
You also go with him.
Lordship may kindly have it at
Give it 230, yes.
Lordship for reporting settlement, lord.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕು?
26th.
Give it. Yes, ನೀವ್ಯಾರು?
Respondent.
14%.
So, respondent, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು? Are you a 14%? ಅದು ಕೇಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. It will come. Yes, Kaushik, ಏನು? ಓ, ಇದೆ 6886 ಆಯ್ತು, ನಾಳೆ.
Submission, my lord.
ಅಡ್ಜರ್ನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ. Yes. Next.
My lord, reporting settlement is listed at say 135, my lord. There's a connected matter which is not listed. May be taken together, my lord, in total.
Offense ಏನು?
135.
Offense.
498, my lord, husband and wife.
Yes, all right.